Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to design a movie poster with Pixellab. So please, if you are new to this channel, I'd like you to follow this video to the end, because by the end of this tutorial, I'm going to drop a riddle, a question, and if you get the correct answer to that question, then you'll be eligible to win the sum of 5,000 francs. But before you do that, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. So even if you get the correct answer without you liking, subscribing, or sharing this video, then you will not stand a chance to win that money. 5,000 naira, 5,000 francs is about 5,500 naira or 6,000 naira. So watch this video to the end, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and you will win that money. And also note that I'll be taking the first correct answer, so go right into the comment section and drop the answer. So right away we'll go to our Pixellab app. So this is our Pixellab working space. The first thing, you want to ensure that the size of this video is 1280 by 1280. So I'll go straight away to my gallery and import the background I'll be using for this design. Okay, so this is the background we shall be using, so I'll click here and crop it. I'll crop out this portion of the design, place it in my Pixellab and expand. So I want to make sure that the design really covers the entire surface of the working space. So I'll go to my relative position tool now and I place it very well. I'll also close this design to prevent it from moving. So I will go to my gallery and bring in the various sorry about this. I'll bring in the various images I'll be using for this design. So this is the first photo I shall be using. I will go now and bring the other ones, the other two. Okay, so these are my photos. What I will do now, we just resize them and position them where we increase this one to this amount. I will go to my color filter tool and change the color to black. I'll leave it at 78. So if you are replicating this, take note of this. I'll leave it at 78. I also make sure that the wear aligns at the center. Okay, now with this one too, I will increase the same 78. Leave the size at 70. Sorry, the color, the saturation color at negative 78. Okay, so increase this a bit and place here. Then for this lady, let me just shift it a bit. Shift it a bit, yeah. Okay, so for this one now, we just send it behind. Let me edit this one. For this one, is the same amount I'll be using. Remember, this I'm designing a movie poster. It's the same amount I'll be using, still 78. Okay, send it behind too. So I will come to my shape to go to gradient color. I choose this gradient color. The color I'll be using for this shape now will be the background color, the thick green. So I will go to my color picker tool and make sure I pick this thick green section. Okay, so I'll just resize and place appropriately. Let me put this here, copy this and place here, copy and place here. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So I'll just close all of this. So what am I to put now? The movie title. Which title will I be using? I'll be using The Danger of Success. So which font will I use here? Let me see which font is best for this design. This one, against regular is okay. So place here, and I'll use the red color for that. Also I'll go here, go to stroke, I'll put in a white stroke. The stroke which should be 2, choose a white stroke. Then for shadows, I'll choose a red shadow for it. So I'll just do a copy of this, and I put of success here, of success. Okay, it's okay this way. Let me make sure this is also at the center. Oops, let me just correct it. It's okay this way. So I'll come to my shape to increase the radius to about 5, and I regulate the size to this. I go to my opacity, reduce the opacity to 0. I go to stroke, increase the stroke width to 1, and choose red for the stroke color. Okay, so now we'll come to my eraser tool. I will increase this one, and I start erasing from here. Let me reduce this. Just want to create something. Okay, so this is the result of it. Okay, so what's the name of this group? The name of this group is Pixellab Drama Ministry International. Okay, so I will choose the font type I'll be choosing here is which font type will I choose here? It's Montserrat Medium. Let me take Montserrat Medium, this one. If you don't know how to download and install fonts on your Pixellab, you can check. I've made a video on that, so just go and look on that video and follow the video. So this group is also on YouTube. I'll just put in my YouTube logo here. Yeah, they are also on Facebook and YouTube. You can check them, especially YouTube. So you can just type Pixellab Drama Ministry International on YouTube. They have interesting video. I trust me, you will enjoy their videos. So just after watching this video, just go and type Pixellab Drama Ministry International. Subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow their videos. You'll be enriched spiritually. They drop valuable content on their channel. Okay, so this is what I will do now. Okay, let me reduce this space in here. I want to make sure that they align at the center. Okay, yeah, so I think that is all. So we have come to the end of this design, and now it's time for the video. So before the price tag of the answer to this question I'm about to ask now is 5,000 francs. That is about 5,500 naira or 6,000 naira. I don't know, just do the conversion. If you are from Ghana, do the conversion to Ghana cedis and you know what you will win. Yeah, so if you are watching from any of these countries, either Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, just convert this amount, 5,000 francs CFA, to your own currency. Then you know what you are entitled to if you give the correct answer to this question. Yeah, so before you get this price, the first condition is that subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Secondly, also like this video, what I'm giving out now. Yeah, click on that like button and also share this video. So if I discover that even if you give the correct answer and you have not subscribed, you have not liked this video, and you have not shared, then that you are not eligible for the prize. So drop your answer in the comment section. Now this is the question. What has many keys but cannot open a door? What has many keys but can't open the door? What has many keys? What has many keys but can't open a door? Not the door. Yeah, but can't open a door. So I'm waiting for your answers in the comment section below. Drop in your answers in the comment section, and the winner of this video will be announced in my next video. Yeah, so do endeavor that I follow on my YouTube channel, because turn on the notification bell so that I get notified each time I drop a new video. The winner will be announced in my next video tutorial. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.